Hello, in this video I will show you how to do tear down in Compass EW71. As you can see, at first we were removing the screws from the antenna connector. So then we will unscrew the inside the label sticker. We will unscrew it. There is a screw inside. First we must remove the sticker at the back, as you can see. So medyo makunat ang kanyang sticker, pero matatanggal rin naman. Use a tweezer. Then we must peel off the sticker. Ito yung sticker. Yan, may screw niya. Huwag niyong itatapon. Don't throw away your stickers, because we will use it we'll use it after we will reassembling the unit. Then unscrew. Yeah. Then we will just push the antenna connector downward, and pull it down, and here you are. So these are the insides of the EW71 compass. As you can see, medyo blurry, but they use Qualcomm microprocessor, but no heatsink. So after this video I will decide to install a heatsink in its CPU or microcontroller, because as you can see, we'll use it as access point in public places. So there were many users, so to accommodate many users and to so that we will not get damage the CPU, we will put a heatsink after this video. Thank you.